If you want to remove a collection in Epic Games, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to delete a collection from the Epic Games launcher in just a few seconds. This is useful if you've created a collection you no longer need and want to clean up your library for better organization. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button if this video helps you, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer and wait for it to load fully. Once you're inside the launcher, look at the left sidebar and click on the Library tab. This will take you to your game library, where you can manage your installed games and collections. Now, find the collection name that you want to remove. When you see it, right-click directly on the collection name. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, choose Remove Collection. After you select it, the collection will be removed from your Epic Games library view. That's it, the collection is gone, and your library should now look a little cleaner and easier to manage. If you don't see the option right away, make sure you're right-clicking on the collection name itself, and not on a game or empty space. This is a simple but handy feature if you like keeping your launcher organized and only want to keep the collections you actually use. And just like that, you now know how to remove a collection in Epic Games. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like. Subscribe for more helpful guides and leave a comment if you want me to cover anything else in Epic Games or other launchers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.